Thank you, Joe. Well, beautiful out there now, but remember we had all that rain not too long ago? Well, there was one positive from all the rain recently, and your nose can tell you what it was if you have allergies. But in today's health break, we're going to see the good news might not last too long now that the allergy season in Savannah is lasting longer than ever. If you found yourself sneezing earlier than usual this year, unfortunately, that doesn't mean you will stop sooner.
This year, we've had one of the most severe pollen seasons we've seen in quite a while. And it is true in general, our pollen seasons are getting longer. They're starting earlier. They're lasting later into the year.
Warmer temperatures have extended Savannah's allergy season, and the variety of allergens affecting local sufferers introduces more to sneeze at.
The allergies are very specific. So some people will have allergies to trees, grasses. Some people have allergies to weeds. And these all come out in different times of the year. Unfortunately, some people will have allergies to several of those. So they have trouble, throughout the whole pollen season.
While there are tests to determine what you might be allergic to, it is also possible to predict which days your allergies might bother you most.
The amount of allergen in the air for pollen, for example, can vary with how windy it is, how dry it is. If the humidity is low, you have a higher amount of pollen suspended in the air. If you have a period of rain, it washes pollen down. So days following that, it's not as bad.
How bothersome your allergies become can determine how you choose to treat them.
If you have fairly severe symptoms and you have tried, more conservative measures like antihistamines that are over the counter, even nasal sprays that are over the counter, and they don't seem to be helping well enough, then you probably need allergy testing and maybe some advice from an allergist or a physician.
But everyone with allergies can now expect to be treating them for a longer length of time.
Yeah, a lot of things changing, and pollen allergies are definitely getting worse.
Yeah, I noticed people sneezing earlier than ever this year. Mm-hmm. All through our golf coverage, people were really fighting allergies this year.
Yeah, I believe it. I've heard many people just complaining about the fact that they feel like their allergies are not going away. I haven't had a big flare-up this year. We're both knocking on wood because I don't want that to change at all. But these are some good tips. I really didn't think about the weather and how outside is, and just kind of preparing yourself for worse allergies depending on the weather. I never thought of that.
I know those people who do suffer with allergies are hating to hear that it's going to last a little bit longer than ever.
Yeah, hopefully next year will be better.
Coming up, we will